Yes, a bit.
Yeah, we can.
You guys vibe
GM.
with it? Shut up.
Yeah,
I don't hear music.
What up, T-Bigs?
Hey, yo. GM.
Finally, T Biggs in the chat.
How we doing, JXTR?
All good, man. Where you been?
Man, I've been chilling. I was sleeping in last week.
Been busy?
Yeah, I've been pretty busy.
X9 already live.
Yes, motherfuckers, come join the stream.
Yes.
Hey,
now you can
let's
now you can
go.
stream the trade and I can take my trade in peace.
What? I don't
Hey,
I don't
let's
see anything.
go.
I don't see anything coming up for the next half hour.
I got closures at 7:30 potentially.
7:30. That's right. We're looking at gold, right?
I got both open. GJ sells, gold buys.
How's your weekend, Wicks?
It's kind of still going on.
Yeah, I feel that.
It's still going on. This is a dumb weekend.
I see you sent me money. I was like, what? Where the hell did I? When did this just come up?
Daily.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Hey, Tony Balls, eh? What up? JSTR is on fire. Somebody put the man out.
Yo.
Sheesh, get this man to 1K subs. I just need the 35 of you watching to sub. We'll be at 1K.
I'll go sub on all my other accounts.
I have like 4 accounts.
Yeah.
Let's go, burner subs. Bring me these burners.
Where I'm gonna sub on the TVIC sub on the Devious account.
Nice.
All right, I got you.
Okay, we go dailies bullish. 4
Man, you're about to get like 5 subs.
Awesome.
Man's hacking.
Yeah.
Hack the
Cheating,
system.
bro. Yeah.
Organic growth, dude.
You guys are all organic. We can do
Organic
that.
traders.
Is this so? You're looking for this fake out buy on gold, right? To go up. We close no bottom wick. We close here above 30. Close here on the 30. Let's see how it looks, because that's the 4 hour. That's the 1 hour. So the 4 hour faked out, right? 1 hour, we want a closure above here on the 30. Interesting. Because the fake out on the 4 hour is like a hold support here.
Don't you prefer GJ instead of gold?
I haven't even looked at GJ. Give me a second. I have not looked at GJ today. Yeah, I want a closure above here on the smaller time frames. So give me a 30 that closes above there, and we'll take those buys. All right, that's gold. We're gonna look for buys, fake out buys above here, and buys above there. It's an ugly zone. Maybach music.
We do not care.
I knew it was coming. We do not care.
Yo.
You heard me start saying it before.
GJ, ID.
Okay, and GJ, what do we have? We have weekly bullish, so we could flip for the week, right? Today's Monday. We just created this bottom wick for the week, but we are bearish today. This last candle of the day was a little pullback, I guess, for the week, and then today we just kind of drove down. So I'd expect to be bearish today. We're back in range. The previous daily's bearish. 4 hour is driving. ID. Okay, now I get you. Yuck, that's ugly. 1 hour close, no bottom wick. Oh, you know what we need? I'm sorry. I got you guys. I got you. Cause I got you, babe. Let's see if this is any good. Oh, damn, this shit sounds like an 80s movie soundtrack, right?
ID.
Alright, so last time we had to drive down to come through this range. Look at this. This candle just drove straight through. So that means right here, this is what we're looking for right now. I think we were on when this happened, maybe a week ago or something. Oh no, this is no. What am I saying? This fucking month ago, last month. But we were on here. We had a closure below range. Probably didn't take it because this shit had no bottom wick. But overall, this is what we need. We need a closure over here below this range with a bottom wick, and then we'll take this next candle on the break of that previous candle low to drive down, fill this range, which would be roughly. Really? Is that all it is? 8 pips? Or am I reading that wrong? 80 pips. No, 8.
GJ hit target. Rip. Need to mark up a new range.
Oh god. What the fuck?
Yeah, that was my
Oh,
that was my daily target, to be honest.
Just went 30 pips here on this candle.
Yeah, that was my daily target, honestly. So at this point,
Really?
I need to see.
I think if we close here with the bottom wick, I think we're driving down to here. Like, look, at last time we really went to this range, no stops, nothing. This shit just drove straight through. You could drive through right now before we even hit the 30 mark right here. Like, you see that? Just drove straight through the zone.
Yeah. For me, I'm gonna wait now for 1 hour candle. That was my trade right there. That range. So I want to wait for a new higher time frame range to be formed.
Hold on, I'm a little confused. I don't know what your ranges look like, but it just entered a range for me. This candle.
164 down to 163,700. It's my 30 pip range that I had marked up.
Oh, I got you. No, I have it going all the way to 163 flat, which it might hit right now in the next 3-4 minutes. If it doesn't, and it pulls back a little, we'll have a trade at 7:30. So let's see what happens. Gold, I wanted to close back above here. GJ might be the play. 7:30. Just might not be, you know, this might be, let's see, this might not be a 1-to-1 by the time we get in there. 45 for 50 for now, for 60. Yeah, and fuckers driving. Like the last time I just showed you guys on April 22nd, the thing just, once we entered this range, it just drove right through. So let's hope that happens, but let's hope it happens in 3 to 4 minutes instead of right now. $1% up last week? No, I'm less than 1% up. A little less than 1% up. I have 1 win on street. I have overall last week 3 wins, 5 losses, and 1 break even. Actually 2 break even, but it was like way after. So, 3 wins, 5 losses, 2 break evens. The entering Friday stream, I was down like 1.5%, 1.6%. And then we had a 70 pip runner on Friday. So, how does Cabby go? Let's lock it in less than a minute here. Let's see what happens. Need a bottom wick here. No bottom wick, no entry. Even though the 1 hour already has a top wick and it's just might be driving here this half hour. I know I still want this 30 to leave me some range for the next 30 to go boop, 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 boop. And we will have no bottom wick and we will have no trade. Same thing happened here last time. Is there a bottom wick?
There's a nipple wick.
Man, he pips is this
Real
wick.
small.
It's 2 pips. Even less. 1.5. I don't even know. I don't know. Don't like this wick. Where do we close? I mean, the opening here is fairly nice. Yeah, let's see where this top wick goes. If we get a really decent top wick, I'm gonna take the break of the previous candle low. Just going by what we've seen before here, it's just Look at this candle. There's no bottom wick. But we did have a top wick on the next candle of 11, 12 pips. Came up into this 163.880. If we do that again, 163.880, maybe we'll have sells. Yeah, this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 10 more pips. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna have a sell stop right here on the break of the previous candle low. So stops will be previous candle high. One 63628 on Trader's Domain. I will have it at So here's the thing. Most of the time, it's not, hey, you don't understand this idea, or hey, if it's not, you don't have the same idea. I mean, we have the same ideas, right? Basically, we're all doing price action, closures below range, stuff like that. The only difference we might see when applying all of this is really the way we draw up our ranges, the way we draw up our zones, and that's key. Because like, if your zone is a little off from mine, we'll have different results, even though we're looking for the same thing, right? We're looking for that same price action. But if we saw something different, we marked up our zones a pip or 2 or 3 pips off from each other, then we might have different results, or we might be seeing different things. As you see a closure below, somebody sees a support. But yeah, we're all technically looking for the same idea, and we got the idea here. We got a closure below, we got a top wick on the next candle, probably break of the previous candle will drive us through a range that's we've seen was clear before. Like we've seen, as soon as candles hit this range, they just drive through it. So same idea here. Nothing new. No wild card elements. No like X factor. Nothing. No variable that we don't know or aren't sure of. It is what it is. Like I said, we'd want a wick touching like 163.880, somewhere around there.
¿Quieres o no quieres? No. Cámara, dime. Estate. Mi amor, ¿tienes alergias?
Un poquito, sí.
How are you? This 30M sell stop area has resistance on the left. Wee. Yes, it does have resistance on the left. Minor, but it does. I'm not expecting to hang out in this range for a very long time, and then if we don't get activated, then the hourly will be the next play, and we'll probably have better stops, because then we could use a flip on the hourly on the next hour, look, and take advantage of this range that it just left with the wick. It's a minor range for 16 pips, 17 pips. If the hourly closes like this. Hey, my boy Naked HD in the house. Why don't you just come in and say, hey guys, what's up? Like, good morning, and then do your thing. Instead of the pictures. Be like, yo, good morning, Wix, I'm back. We'll welcome you, and then you can start your ads, and we'll start the banning. We'll just say good morning. So dedicated. I really want to give you props for being dedicated, but I can't because you don't talk. Just send pictures. Naked HD is literally the most dedicated viewer on the stream. Boy got heart. Wait a minute, he'll be back with a new account. Hold on, he's got to use this account up though. He's got to hit up every stream on this account, and then he comes back once it's banned everywhere. Real talk is here every day. That's right. Wow, 420. That boy is dedicated. I need his alarm. Whatever wakes him up in the morning, I need that shit. It's fucking chilly in my house. Got bit up by mosquitoes. It's not even a mosquito. That's some fucking Chernobyl mosquito, because this fucking sting, I sprayed Benadryl on it. I ate Benadryl. I fucking put some Benadryl ointment on my shit, and it's like still itchy. I don't know. That mosquito had some radiation. I don't know what the fuck it was. She had like 3 heads. Definitely Chernobyl.
Shit was coming for you.
Bro, I've killed it. It played dead, and then I came back and it's not there no more.
Yeah.
Like that mosquito.
Its boys came for its dead body.
Boys came, fucking airlifted him out.
Yeah.
They pulled up a whole operation last night while I was sleeping.
They had to get him back up and going. He's gonna come for you again tonight.
Dude, he's hiding right now somewhere under the table, like where I can't see him. Hey, yo. Wait till the stream is over, motherfucker. Watch the fuck out. You get your wings clipped.
I know the mosquito is different. The mosquito is different down in Florida.
Bro, I'm telling you, like, my arm is like all shades of scratch.
Fuck that.
I threw out after taking Benadryl. I threw up. Yeah, because you probably overdid it. Took too much. It should
An empty stomach.
It make you drowsy. You give Benadryl to a kid, yo, that's bad. That shit. I gave children's Benadryl to my little one when she was like, my oldest one when she was little, and like, yo, she was literally like drunk. She'd get up and take a step and fall to the side. It was weird. I called the CDC. They're like, no, it's normal. Just watch her breathing. You probably just gave her a little bit too much.
Just watch her breathing. Yeah, they're like, don't worry, she's fine, but definitely watch her breathing.
No, because what they were saying is like, it slows slows down her breathing. So just watch if she's like, because you don't know if she has any allergies or illnesses.
Yeah, I think it slows down your respiratory system.
Yeah. Brown boy, yeah, codeine best. Yeah, codeine slows down your respiratory system as well. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
You fucking take up Tylenol 3 not knowing you're allergic to codeine, you'll fucking end up in the ER. garlic and onion on your skin and they leave you alone, yeah, but at that point, everyone leaves you alone. At that point, you're like, guys,
I'll not do
guys,
that.
I'm just talking to you. Nobody around you. You sleep real well after garlic too. Like garlic lets you sleep really well. You know why? Because you fucking sleep alone. You sleep alone, but you
Yeah.
sleep real well.
Nobody bothers you.
Nobody.
Good morning,
Your ass
Wicks.
gonna be like this on the bed, looking like a fucking snow angel, like a fucking, I don't know, like a snow cone or something. Get the blood pressure.
Nobody
down.
wants to be with you.
Oh yeah, nobody wants to be around there.
Basically.
Basically.
Really
That's
see the
right.
best topping though, bro. That
Who-
shit's fire.
I just ignored somebody who said good morning.
Totally. The best topping.
Somebody said good
Best.
morning. Good morning to you too.
Yo, what's good now? You remember you were talking. Good morning, Wicks. Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hopefully you had a good weekend.
Yeah, thank you, brother. Likewise to you, bro. Have a good weekend.
It's always a great
Much love,
weekend.
much love.
Sir.
Was that Nuke?
Yeah. Actually making a pancake right now.
Make it a protein pancake. Fuck it. Make it a marijuana
It is
protein
yo,
pancake.
it is a protein pancake. Yo, I should do that.
I don't know why you're
I
not
got a magic
fucking
butter machine.
doing like THC droppers in there.
I need that. I actually met some dude last night at the Italian festival who
Italian
he's like a
festival.
cannabis chef.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I gotta go get like an off spray or something because this fucker's just like catching me every 2-3 minutes, like on a different part of the same leg, and like you're fucked, bro. That's it.
Wix is getting bullied by a mosquito.
If you've been to Florida, you would fucking understand. How the fuck I get bit through a shirt? I'm wearing a shirt and through it, motherfucker bit me.
Or they adapted.
Fucking Zeke to me. Hmm? You think I'm playing games here? Got deep woods, baby. Deep woods.
He's fucked.
Deep woods, you know what that means? My desk is made out of wood. This shit's getting sprayed down.
I thought you had a glass desk.
Well, I'm spraying everything down. I'm gonna spray the computer. Like, oh, he's fucked.
Headset. Yo, you saw this kid in California? A stray bullet went through his window, and his Razer headset saved his life.
Yeah, I saw that shit the other day.
Yeah,
Where was it in
bro, that
California?
shit's
I was
wild.
100% sure that was Florida, man.
I'm pretty sure it was California. It might have been Florida.
Because when it's Florida, it's
Florida
like,
might have
yeah,
been
I'm not
Cali.
even surprised.
Yeah.
Like, Florida man did what? Oh, all right, that's not that bad.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
Anonymity is an inherent risk on YouTube live streams. Let's go. Come on, guys. Where's the charts? I need some data-rich perspectives here. Hey. Hey. I swear that name.
Trying to sneak back in.
I know, but I swear that name has been deleted before. Like that, those exact letters put in that exact order have been deleted before. I don't know how he's doing this. Must be a space somewhere that I didn't notice. I found him. Alright guys, I'm gonna delete the sell stops and we're gonna wait on this hourly. Because even if it breaks right now, I don't want to just sit through this, activate, have it pull back, leave a wick. The hourly, so just... What was that?
Heard that. Good stuff. Yo, Wix, I had a quick question.
Was that it?
No. On yesterday on Asian at 11, if you look at 11 p.m. Was that a range one breakout?
Are we looking at GJ or gold?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, GJ. 165.730 at 11 p.m.
Okay, so let's go. This right here,
right? Yes, sir.
So... It's funny, I got a Sunday candle. So, Friday, we closed bear. Expecting yesterday to go bear. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, that would be a range one buy if you take a buy.
Gotcha. Okay.
So
hey,
in this situation, this is what I would have had my zone right here.
Okay.
And I would see this. I would see us closing no top wick here, right? A little bit above resistance or at resistance. So we expect the next candle to make a top wick and come down. The next candle makes a top wick, closes above the range. Now we got a clear closure above the range, but we're still bearish. So we're still expecting until something drives up here and then rejects and then breaks that, there's no trade. So at this level, our only expectation is for a trade is let's wait for this to come back down in range. Once it came down in range, you could have traded this, but this had no top wick, so I probably wouldn't have traded it.
Yeah, big cut, right? Gotcha. All right. Thank you, Wick.
pool guy knocked on my door because every time he comes over, I'm smoking a joint, so he knocked on my door, holding my ashtray. I let him kill that joint that's in there. He's so funny. You see, you come over my
He was
house,
probably
like, yeah, people love coming over my house, like, because chances are I'm smoking, and if I'm smoking, it's gonna get smoked whether you're here or not. So if you want to hit it, you can hit it if you want to, because the shit's gonna get smoked regardless. So they always coming over my house, all happy and shit. Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
Yeah, trying to talk to you.
Is this good? Do you want me to check on that? Can I do this for you? I was like, yes, you may.
Yeah.
No, let's not do Zoom. Wrong button. Wrong button. Wait, let's get rid of this. This shouldn't be here. What you smoking on, Wix? This is called something like butts too big or something like that. I swear I forgot it throughout the box.
Yo, that's
So-
too big.
I swear, because like if I don't go to the dispensary, a lot of the shit I get is like, never mind. I forgot I'm live on YouTube.
Yeah.
This is my account, y'all. When I'm on the Don's account, we can destroy that all we want. No, I gotta keep it unratchet for a minute. Yeah, so just rewind that. Or I could just speak Russian. Yeah.
Oh, true.
Well, who did I watch the other day? I watched stand-up comedy. The guy's like, you ever notice how people speaking Russian sound like, whatchamacallit, the record playing backwards? Like if you were gonna remix it backwards. And we're like, what? That's great. That's true.
Yeah, that's funny as shit.
Tinder overpriced shit.
Make it
I definitely agree.
HD out here, bro.
Pay 130 for a half ounce. Shit, that's expensive. Nowadays, like that used to be cheap. Now it's expensive. Oh, Trevor Noah
that's
probably.
expensive.
Trevor Noah probably said, "Ferbsta, how are you? What's up? How are you?" Yeah, can we get like a devious discount for Naked HD?
Yeah, for real. Can we get like a group bundle? We all subscribe.
A wholesale price, man.
Looking for it.
Yo,
Yeah.
wholesale price. We get
Yeah.
what's the
come on.
price for 180 entries? I'm great, Ferbsta. I'm great. I'm severely. I'm not severely. I'm incredibly happy to be here this morning with all of you. Sponsor Wix. That's right. I don't even want that. It's like, can you guys donate your plants, your seeds? I need to get a sponsorship from a dispensary, and this every time you donate, it goes to them, and they get me the equivalent amount of weed. This way, you guys can buy me weed. Are you ex-Russian mafia boss? No. But I know one. Now I paid like 150. Yeah, because prices went down, right? Especially with with all the dispensaries opening up everywhere. Like my dispensary prices for better weed are cheaper than the homie down the block. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How much do you pay for an ounce?
At a dispensary,
Yeah.
I can go as low as, so let's count it up. I can pay $90 an ounce through a dispensary. Not the greatest, best possible weed, but I can get high quality weed for less than 100,000 an ounce. Now, what I typically do is order outside. Right.
Well, that's cheap, man.
Cheap, yeah, not cheap. I just get much better quality when it's from Cali or
Cool.
from Portland. I mean, from Oregon or from. I get a really, really good variety when it comes, because when things are grown at different altitudes, you get really different results. And like Florida only has one altitude, right? We're all just like, it's flat here. There's no mountains, there's nothing like that. But like you go to Colorado, you go to Cali in the mountain, like things grown at different altitudes will produce different yields, different results, different concentrations. So it's
Which variant is your favorite?
which variant?
Yeah.
I have a lot, man. It's just we did. I love sours.
Goat.
Honestly, I love sours.
Like Golden Goat was probably my favorite strain I've ever had.
Golden Goat.
Yeah, or Goat's Beard. I forget what it was fucking called. It was Goat something. I got it in Vegas.
Oh, I had that. That's it's called Acapulco Gold. That's what it's called. That's what you're talking about, right?
Bro,
it's
that's
really
it.
good weed. Really
Bro,
good. Look it up. It's probably
really good weed.
I think that's what
it was
you're
like
talking about.
30% or some shit.
Look it up. Yeah, Acapulco Gold. I think that's what you're talking about. Because that's what I had. That's one of my favorite. And
Yo.
I had it was a pink rosé. Are we gonna flip a minute before? What the fuck? Really, 8 a.m. on the dot.
Then it's not gonna have a bottom wick, I think.
Then we just won't take it.
Yep.
It's a no big deal.
Yo.
And honestly, I got it here. This is weird because, like, oh, it's not weird. It makes sense now. I completely forget. Here's the thing, chat. Like, my broker has a 6-day week, and TradingView over here has a 5-day week. So yeah, that's why there's an extra candle on my broker. I'm like, what the fuck? I forgot today's Monday. If you guys don't understand these nuances, different brokers run on different times, and because of that, they're not just their rollover times, but the way they split their week. For on MT5, I'll see a small candle for the Sunday evening. It's like a 3 or 4 hour daily candle, but it's only, it's for the day, but it's 3 or 4 hours because that's all your day is. So you have to realize that Sunday daily candle is not a full daily candle, and you have to go back to Friday for the daily. And so I'm talking about strictly on MT5, not here on TradingView, and then count the Sunday and Monday candle as one candle.
You got triggered?
Did I get triggered? What do you mean?
Yeah.
Sell stops were deleted.
No, we deleted.
Okay.
Remember, we deleted sell stops.
Okay, thanks.
Remember, I had the line below it, and I deleted it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, we closed.
Yeah, we would have gotten activated.
Would have gotten activated. Right now, we'd see a formation of the bottom wick, and then it'll probably come back up. Nav just got some discount.
Nav spends way too much time with Naked HD.
I swear.
Way too much time.
You want a discount, don't you?
Your boy Nab's got the affiliate link. He'll drop it in the Discord.
Oh shit, I'm talking with no volume. Streamer recommended. That's funny. Sell stop would be active now. Yes, it would be, but we don't have a sell stop. You know why? Because this candle We deleted our sell stop because it started getting too close to the end of the hourly, and we were gonna wait for the hourly closure 8 a.m. And now we definitely won't have a sell stop because that hourly closed with no bottom wick, indicating that there's no more range to go down here. Now this next candle, while it may drive down, since we have a, you know, we have a volume coming in here. We don't know because it's 8 a.m. So NY open. We don't know how far it would drive down. Is it gonna leave this little nipple wick that it's doing right now? Is it gonna drive down and hit this resistance, or is it gonna drive all the way down here? But at some point after it drives down, it should come back up and flip bullish. So because of the previous candle having no bottom wick, that's just what typically happens. It might not because there's no guarantees here, right? We're just, you know, this is technical analysis, so we're just basing our analysis on historical data, and historically that's what it's done. Gold here, on the other hand, look, I believe we'll have a range 2 once we close below gold 2. Look at that, how ugly that was a few hours back. And gold positions at like 3 a.m. are good. Breaking lows. Anybody take sells on gold overnight? These look solid. Daily bullish, right? So, okay. Range 1. Depending on how you look at this, let's see. Okay. Here's how I would see this. Even though some people would see this as already a range 2, I see it like this. Range 1. Fucker. Range 1. And then we broke out a range 1, right? And created a support here, right? That held. This is range 2. If we break below here, I think we're going to mirror this whole candle coming down. So this would have been range 2 sells if we drove down it, but we established already a new range 2 here. Right here. We already established it by coming here, creating support, coming up to back to resistance. What do? You create a support, create a resistance. That means this is a range. If we break below here, we'll have sells.
Yo, what? What the fuck is good today, bruh?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Chad.
Oh. What the fuck did he spell out?
Nothing, just his name. What are you gonna do? It's alright.
Love that dude. I would be like, mods. Hello, mods. Mods. Fuck that.
Yeah, SpongeBob. That's SpongeBob episode. Mods. Oh, mods.
We get a 15 close. No, we didn't get a 15 close. What the fuck? Hold on. Like if you have to do this to see a wick, that's no good.
Yeah, you gotta really zoom in.
It's fine. There's some wick there. Like, yeah, I don't know. Just because of the ferment. Look how we wicked here on the previous one. This was perfect. But it didn't drive. We're gonna fill this range though, at some point. I just don't know if we're gonna come back up, retest this, but I really want a steeper wick here on this hourly closure. If this hourly closure gave us a wick up to here, I would think about it. I wouldn't think about it because of the way the previous hourly formed. I would just start waiting and paying attention because we just started rejecting of a strong zone. Be great if we can kind of reject here, pull back up, because then it'll go in line with this previous candle having barely a wick or no wick. And if we can kind of have an onion play here, that'd be great. Yo, before you guys ban this guy, can he ask him to leave a like and then ban him?
At least let me get a like, bro.
Yeah, hey, bloody asshole. Can we get a
Yeah.
Can we get a like? That dude is like, I don't know if you ever had a Nextel, but like he's like the asshole with the Nextel, you know, while class is going on. It's getting the whole, hey,
Sure.
we're smoking a joint outside class, hurry up. And the entire class hears you.
Yeah, bro. My whole family had those joints.
People got sad lives be doing this shit like this. Maybe he's getting paid for this. You don't know. Like,
Yo, what?
right?
Ain't nobody
We're on
that, man.
stream. Imagine we're on streams, but he's the only one making money in this motherfucker right now. Chirp phones. Yeah.
We should bring those back.
Nah, no. I had too many fucking ruined relationships with teachers and friends over that shit. Cause like, right? People can get to you at any time. Yay! He liked and
Yeah,
subscribed.
I like it.
Yo, that's awesome. Okay, now ban him. Thanks, though. Love you, dude. Love the consistency and persistency. Jesus, definitely you and Naked HD are definitely the most consistent people on here. Sorry, guys. That escalated quickly. Yeah, these boys got burners like they're celebrities. I don't get it. Like, I don't make a burner until I need a burner. I'm gonna take it you're not a Christian. Jesus, what the hell? Hey. I'll put Jesus and hell in the same sentence, alright? My ex had like six real life burners. Like, she'd be like 6 different people in real life. I'd be like,
that's such a red flag.
Did you say GJ and the hourly? No, we deleted sell stops and then the hourly closed with no bottom wick. Okay. Might get a Wix special here.
Yeah, that just reminded me. Gotta finish it. Go.
You said you gotta do shit?
And now I gotta finish your logo. I gotta put the Wix special on it.
We got a Wix special on my logo. You hear that, chat?
Yeah.
Every time there's a Wix special, just drop a logo mid-screen. What the fuck did I just walk into? I don't know. Open your eyes. It's either a wall or a stream. I'll be doing that at nighttime. Fuck did I just walk into? I knew there was nothing in this part of the room. Yo, you know what the worst thing is? Stepping on a Lego at like 3 in the morning. Cause that's first of all, that's a pain that doesn't set in right away. It's not like boom, fuck. It's like, and then it hurts, and then you're like, oh fuck. But then it's also nighttime, and you can't really be like, oh fuck. You're like, oh fuck.
Yeah. You know, if you wake the kids, you're fine.
Yeah.
Even more.
Shit, I'll step on 3 more Legos instead of waking the kids up.
Yeah.
Mods, if anyone overworks today, you're all welcome to my house to hit the peace pipe. I need a lighter. Pool guy smoked my J. Left me a clip. Thanks, pool guy. Left me a clip of my own joint.
Yeah.
He's funny though, like he left it right on the fence where I leave it. Like he already knows my routine. If I'm ever like on vacation, he's just gonna come through and like smoke my weed.
Yeah.
But he's
and
cool.
you wouldn't even be able to tell.
He's cool as shit because like I used to have mad complaints about the previous pool guy, and like he came in, he's like, oh, that guy sucked. Look at your pH levels. Look at the acidity here. Look at the. I was like, so what does that mean? Like I jump in there and I'm gonna melt? He's like, no, but I'll make it better. And your pool won't be this color.
Yeah.
And you know what happened? The walls of my pool had like a green hue while the pool itself is blue. So he's like, no. The acidity levels plus mixed in with the rain and the moisture plus the leaves from this fucking tree that fall in there. He's like, I'm gonna bring it all, to perfection.
Yeah, he probably stabilized it.
Yeah, and then next week he's like, holy shit, your levels are all off. I don't know why. You might have a leak. It's like, motherfucker.
Damn.
I want you here for
in-ground pool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's not much things you could do with an above ground pool.
Yeah. Well, yeah, no. I was a pool guy for like 2 years.
I don't know if you ever watched Mitch Hedberg. He was like, you know why those above ground pool commercials are so short? Like 2 minutes? Because that's the maximum amount of time you can have having fun in an above ground pool. Just about the length of that commercial.
You just want to go back inside. Like, fuck this thing. Tell you what, though, having a pool is definitely a headache, a little bit. A lot of upkeep.
$15 looking nice, but here's the thing. I will not take a trade on GJ until 9 a.m. just because of this. This closure was a 1 hour closure, right? So now I need a 1 hour to leave me a wick. I don't care for the 30 minute, for the 15. I don't give a fuck how they set up because overall the higher time frame is king. And the higher time frame here between the 15:30 and the 1 hour is the 1 hour, and it's telling me, hey, previous one closed with no bottom wick, well, barely wick closed. You guys see a wick? Yeah, like that's no bueno for me. I want some range. I want some clean range. So we broke into a clean range. Let's create a support here, and then once we break that support, we're gonna go boop, 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 boop. Or we could just drive down now like we did previously when we gone through this range, and then like, it's just not my trade. But you guys can, like, once it re-breaks the lows here, like, that's solid. I just won't do it because the previous 1 hour. And that's it. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. So if I won't take it, why am I sitting here? Good. Look at this. Yeah. 4 hour, breaking the lows. Yeah, I'm gonna need a closure below here. We get a closure somewhere below here. That's range 2 breakout. See, range 2 right here. Let's see how 8:30 goes. Might be a 30-minute because this level is 30 and 1. Yeah. Just, you know, keep your FOMO out of your actual execution. Execution and FOMO should be like on opposite ends of the spectrum in order for you to execute successfully. This guy got so many burners. I would have been, if he literally subscribed with every single burner, I would be at, like, I would be monetized a long time ago. How do we close? We didn't close. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Will we get something? Give me 1 sec. My kids are up.
Dun dun dun. Hey yo, gold is moving. Sheesh. Pushing. See where this 30-minute closes.
So how was your weekend, Wix?
Wix is doing some shit with his kids.
Oh, he's doing some shit with his kids. I see. So is anyone else in cells on GJ?
No.
All right.
30 minutes looking pretty good.
Jesus.
Yeah, it pushed. It pushed hard.
Essa no push.
Like right when you got up, it started pushing. It was funny.
It's okay, but we said we're not gonna take anything there. There's no trade.
No, the 8:30. No, it's perfect. Perfect. I'm fucking organizing files right now.
Laminate them. I know, focus 8:15. I know, Chris. So let's see. This was the FVG zone, right? Fair value zone right here. Thing is, where your 8:15 where your 8:15 sells are, I would have been looking for buys to come back up in range. 30 seconds here.
Are you looking at gold or GJ Wicks?
I'm looking at gold.
Gold.
All right, chat. We need a top wick and then re-break of the current candle, current 30, and we're gonna be in positions. So let's get a 20 pip top wick. Yeah, somewhere to here, right? So 1852, 5.3, 500. Is that a top wick? All right, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the rebreak of the current candle low here. 830. Really want a steeper wick. 18. I like 25. I mean, wick to here. That's what I really want. But
Use current candle stops Wicks.
I mean, you can't use previous candle stops. So whatever it turns out to be, I understand we can make a steeper wick, but yeah. Rebreak of this candle low, sell stop. Oh, activated. We are activated here. Told you guys, rebreak of the current candle low, and we are driving. Probably go break even at the tip of the wick. You know what I didn't do? I didn't put this on screen. Where's my short position? Trent. Whee!
Ooh.
I'm going
Nice.
break even here, chat.
Yeah, same.
Wait, I'm so slow at doing this. This should have been on during the trade, but it's all right. We called it out for y'all. Tip of the wick right here. I'm gonna close 50% because this is our advantage point. We are closing 50% here.
Yeah.
Half at 16. Stops to BE.
If you hold it till I get. Whoa!
Whee! Whee! We're gonna mirror this whole range to the left. Just don't want it to pull back up, but you know, I closed 50 at 19 pips, and I got 50% running here with stops to break even.
I closed 75 at 19, basically same. I closed a little more.
Awesome.
I don't know why.
Very proud of you guys. High five, pat on the back. You guys are all winners. Yeah. And break even hit. Did we? Wait, hold on. Let me look at my broker.
Yeah, I just hit it.
And
Nice. Great trade.
B hit.
No, that was fire.
about
Fire. Fire.
19 plus BE. And it's not even 9. Chat, not even
Bro,
9.
that was literally like 2 minutes.
It's a good start to
The
the
best
week.
like 20 minutes ago.
Oh wait, did you get slipped at all?
I guess manually executed.
I had
Yeah, I
no
didn't get
slippage.
slipped at all.
You
Yeah,
know
no
why?
slippage.
Because I also manually because I don't have time to set stops as I'm talking about them and doing the stream. Like Don's really quick with it, but for me it's not second nature yet. So I'm kind of slow at it. I know what I got to do, but then I think about it. I'm like, all right, no, where's my broker? Where's and
Now I gotta do this. Now I gotta do that. And I'm like, fuck.
yeah.
Yeah, I got fucked on GJ. It made a bigger top wick.
Oh fuck.
But you expect that, right? With no pre.
Yeah,
No, yeah. You didn't get fucked. You fucked yourself. Like no, with all due respect, my brother. Like
No, yeah, I
bottom wick
understand,
on
but
No, not
I
saying
thought
anything
that was going to be. You never know when the top wick of the hourly is going to be. I was
Yes,
assuming that was the wick.
I will just say that the previous hourly left no bottom wick, so just base it off the current.
On
Base it off that.
my broker.
Oh, did it? What's your broker?
On my broker, you have IC market. On the 1 hour, you have.
You have a wick. I understand.
Mhm.
Yeah. If you got
a bit.
If you got something decent, then that's fine. But congratulations, we've hit break even here after closing half at 19. Hold
Yo,
on,
same K. I hope Naked HD caught that.
Hold on, I gotta tend to the kids here for a second. Hold on.
Ishi. Difference in here, 35 years. What the fuck did he get in, bro? Oh, I'm so sorry.
All right, my apologies, chat. Why is this still on here? People are gonna think we're still in the trade and drawdown. We smacked that bitch. And
yeah, that was perfect management right there.
Yeah, perfect. We closed half. You see, we don't always close half at 10 pips. We have our advantage points. This wick was roughly 16, 17. I ended up closing 19.
Yeah. Fine. It was
It's 23 for the wick, but we had a little low. We had to wait for the rebreak of the low, so I closed half at 19, and the rest hit break even.
Yo, Naked HD definitely caught that.
That boy better give us a free subscription. All right, where's my YouTube side? Where are you, YouTube? What are they saying? www. Wix is back. Oh, I missed a lot. Yo, great trade. Felt slippage. Smashed it, bro. Sorry, I had all this off my screen. Wow, they actually won for once? No, we won twice on stream. Twice. Come on, give me. You're not giving me enough credit. We won twice.
Yeah, Friday, one game. Back to back.
B2B. I mean, why are you guys deleting haters' comments? Leave the haters' comments because I think the fact that they leave a comment and then people see that they're hating works in our favor. It actually works in my favor. And then when it's like a smart hater comment, it gives me the chance to respond. It gives me the chance to educate, and it gives me a chance to turn a hater into a supporter. That's why I don't like, deleting haters' comments. I can address them if they're not out-of-pocket comments. If they're like sensible but hating comments, then I can address them. But if they're out of pocket, delete them. Like the Jesus dude, delete the motherfucker. But like, must be Christmas. They finally got a win. I mean, you've been here for 8 days following us. Why are you here then? If you know when we win, when we lose, 9 days. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you're 1 for 20, but we're still profitable.
Seen a guy in any of these.
Stop loss matters. What was your entry?
In the gym to open my gallery, but I.
Who the fuck is doing this? Biggs, is that you?
Not me.
Jesus, Persha. Caught 3 dubs on GJ and 2 dubs on gold. Over traders don't. Over trading to the dome.
It would have been on fire. I'd play about the week. You see how it's out train like this shit like.
Case that she's off to the country club. Yo, who's fucking up my stream right now with these noises?
Yeah, I don't know. I'll check Discord. I
really enjoyed the guy getting, yelled at by his girl while he was staying calm a lot more.
You kind of wonder what happened to him.
Yeah, that was on. I believe that was Monday. That was the very first stream.
That was the first.
It's been a week. They're either still together or she's dead. Or there's a big manhunt going on right now. Discord voice channels AIDS, man. People joining and leaving.
Last time
cool.
was in the DVS community server.
I think I got the guy.
You got the guy.
Kill him.
All right, I'm gonna need you over at my house to get this fucking mosquito.
Yo,
he's just as annoying. He's just as annoying as the guy.
I don't know if I can do that for you, bro.
Kill that motherfucker.
You should take
that
people from
lethal, bro.
Yeah, you should take people from chat to Zoom if you are not take fee or mentorship program. Yeah, I'm not I don't take any fees. I don't have a mentorship program. I have friends that I help, right? And that's about it. People that I stay in contact and touch with that I'm willing to help because they've shown me a willingness to learn. Outside of that, I don't mentor nobody. And if you're asking me why I don't take them to Zoom, is because Zoom only leaves room for 40-minute sessions before it turns you off, and I don't have a subscription to Zoom. And I'm just thinking about it that I'm here for 2 weeks. Fuck am I gonna subscribe to Zoom for 2 weeks? Like if they did like a month free, I would do it just to do this for this month, but they don't. They want me to pay less and then, continue the membership. It just wouldn't make sense. I'll probably forget that I'm even have a membership and they'll be charging me month to month and like Hey, stop loss matters. Where was your entry? Was it in range 2 or into range 2? What was your sell? Was that like the 6 a.m.? Look what happened here. It didn't even come back into that. So all it did was just come back, re-break the high, and then drive down the ideals again. You could probably take in that second sell as it re-broke its own low for the second time. Just not our trade. Yeah, at this point, we can wait on the hour. Like, we got the 30 move. Now, if the hourly pulls back, we'll get an hourly move. But if not, then... Not that not. We're winners already today, right? You guys are in the 98th percentile. Or in the 2 percentile.
It's already a dub. Got a dub.
Yeah. Is the music too loud? Anybody? A little loud for me.
I should be watching your stream, but
It's gonna fill this range right now. This would have been TP.
too bad gold had to get us out of it. Be mean to us.
Alright, so regardless of what happens here right now, we are in the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour, which means we will not be looking at positions, thinking about positions, or wondering if there is a position. There's absolutely no position till the 4-hour closes. Once the 4-hour closes, let's see how it closes, how far this pulls back, and how much range we have to drive down. It's going to be a 4-hour close. It's going to be a 1-hour close. So we're going to have a wick. We're going to need a nice top wick to drive down. See where it closes down. Let's see what it respects. See, candles tend to drive through this range, drive through this range, drive through this range, and that's what we're doing right now, drive through this range. The same thing's gonna happen here. Wait, same thing's gonna happen here, here, here. So when we get here, you're gonna look to mirror all this and just, these little long, these little big candles, these long candles is what you want, right? These drives, that's what you want to mirror. That's what you want to emulate. That's your technical analysis. Your technical analysis should be, hey, we want historical price to repeat, and we want to take advantage of it here. Historical price action to repeat. stop loss answer me? Did he say when he entered? Yo, Chris, focus. I wanna know what your entry was. Where did you take the sell? And I wanna know where stop loss took the sell. No, stop loss said he had an earlier entry, so I'm wondering what his entry was. Unless he got like an hour and a half earlier, because that's where I saw a trade also. What happened to MM? What'd he do?
Nothing. We're just trolling.
You know what's funny? Don took this too. I'm looking
Yeah,
at his
he
entry.
did. I saw that. I went into the.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. He just took it too. That's so funny. Like chat, you see, like we see a lot of the same shit.
Yeah.
Stop loss said, I literally said on my stream, Wix and Don gonna be in on this 30-minute flip. And then I looked at Don's page, and then he's in on it. Like, that's funny. We all took the same trade. Like, completely separate of each other. Like, you know how, like, I see a lot of people posting, I took the same trade as my mentor, and they'll go on Discord, and they'll go like, or Facebook, or, you know, Instagram, I take the same trade as, you know, when you take the same trade as your mentor, you just feel different, like, feels great, or shit like that. We just all took the same trade, so it's a good feeling.
I'm not sure if Don had break even or I'm not sure.
Let's check. Hold on. Let's check. Move stops to break even. Risk free trade close 50% here at 35. When did he leave that? 832. So yeah, my guess is what's his break even? 18.
250. I think he had pretty much. Yeah, my guess is he. It was 2 minutes after he posted it. The move stops to break even.
Right here. That's our song. That was exactly right. Right here, yeah. Yeah, I think he would have hit B. Hello, sir. Like, we as traders spend around 5 to 6 hours per day on screen during 2 sessions, and we know it's a mind activity. So how you manage to make your mind stress-free at the end of the day? I don't spend 5 to 6 hours on stream. We had a 4-hour stream, and that was fucking wild because like it fucks you, like really, it fucks your head. Your brain is.
But you're also
burned.
not staring at it for this whole time. You know,
I'm not staring at it, and I'm not seeing a move here, a move there, a move here. I'm like, here it is. I'm only trying to make 1, maybe 2 high quality decisions. You understand? 1 or 2 high quality decisions today. That's it. I made 1 high quality decision. That might be it. If I'm gonna make another one, it's gonna be like an extremely high quality decision in my favor. Right? We don't take losers, we take winners. We build winners.
Yeah, I'm cool and where I'm at for the day.
You're all getting roasted on another live stream right now. Does that live stream have like 4 viewers? It's like me and my 3 mice fucking praying to me. I mean, congrats. Like, you guys are spending your morning roasting. We are spending our morning celebrating.
Make money.
Money, 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 money. Make money.
Money, 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 money.
Like, If you were, I'm saying, oh, that's where I was going with this. Where do I send the fuck I give? Like, if you were, let me tell you one for 20. If your ass was dying and all you needed to save your life was a fuck, I wouldn't give you one. I don't give a fuck. Raja. When does Raja not roast everybody? I'll say this, Raja is a great marketer. If you guys are coming on here telling me what he's doing, I mean, I really don't care. But he's just manipulated you. You're the sucker, not me. You're the sucker. Some people are severely disillusioned about how they present themselves. You know what I mean? Like, you come onto my stream,
people
tell
really
me,
got
yo,
nothing better to do.
I'm hosting this stream as a substitute teacher in somebody's absence to him. What's out of my comfort zone to bring you guys some value, and you're coming in here telling me someone's roasting me. Like, you see how our intentions are completely different, so I can't even mind you.
Yo, Wix, admin or mod MM?
He's so out of pocket, it's tough.
Alright. Yeah,
Sorry.
I tried, guys.
Sorry, MM. He's like a honorary mod. He knows he's not gonna get kicked, but he's really out of pocket. Like, he knows I love him.
MM's a little.
He's out of pocket.
Kind of a loose cannon.
Yeah. He's a wild card. X Factor.
X Factor. But people really got something better to do. Literally, that dude, other guy's not even streaming.
Yeah, if someone else is roasting me, yo guys, just send me the time because I'll entertain myself. We'll actually do this.
Nobody
after stream. We'll all after stream separately on our own time. We'll go there and we'll check it out. We are friends, MM. I just never met you in real life, and you live a half world away, and you're out of pocket every morning. It's my type of out of pocket. Like, I get it. I understand you. I feel you. And I love it.
I feel you, bro.
Send Wix feet pics. If he does that, Leaky's getting banned. If
Wix gets some feet pics, Leaky's getting banned.
I'm gonna mod MM and Leaky's getting banned. That's what's MM sending me feet pics right now. Oh man. I'm gonna have a 4-hour closure here in a minute. Chris, send me your entry. I really want to see it. I'm interested because you're not going to get a chance to do it on Don's stream. I'm intrigued. I dropped you the sauce and message. I mean, you should have put it on Discord because I would have. Let's see your chart.
Send it to your messages on Discord.
This is my boy. This is the dude that was like, yo, you heard of Forex? It's the guy that told me what Forex is. Right here, that's his chart. Price shifted to sell. Where so fill on FVG. What's your entry? I'm always confused about where you're actually entering. What's your like confirmation for entry here? Which candle? I wish you could like point like circle the specific indication like hey this is where I'm good to go. I see the areas. I see what you're talking about. I see the concept. Yo, this is nuts. MM sent me feet pics. Leaky's getting banned.
Did he really send you feet pics?
He's saying check Discord, but I'm not gonna do that. like if I know him.
Bro.
You see what I'm saying? MM is out of pocket.
If I saw some toes, bro.
Some stubbed feet.
Bruh.
Like I'm gonna regret turning this on right now. Hold on, I gotta go back to Discord. Trying to see some. But see, like I'm looking at your chart, Chris. Yeah, your entry is also very similar. So you're describing it differently in different. You have different language. You're speaking a different language, describing the same thing that we are. So I see your previous charts. You can post them on Discord. Hopefully people don't fucking flip. We don't trade that way. Like you just show your point of view because I see what you're looking at and it's like you just call it differently and a lot of the concepts are very similar and you're still getting a closure below range to entry, but you're just looking at a lot more stuff. I don't know if anybody wants to look at this. Ticks. And this is really higher time frame buying limits, right? Let me remove it off the screen before people are like, my eyes. One for 20. Oh my god, MM sent me fucking. Whose feet are these? MM? What the fuck did you send me?
His girlfriends.
That's the wife, dog? That's the hands that massage you every evening? He's like, nah, that's the happy ending masseuse down the block. Remember the movie? Remember that shit? Scary movie. Yeah, use my good hand.
It's my good.
Oh,
what was it?
What was it?
What one was it? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I don't remember which one it was. It's the
The
one.
other 5.
That's the one where they go to the scary house, the horror house. The guy in the wheelchair. I remember he met the ghost in the closet or something like that, and started messing on it. And the ghost starts taking off the bag. He's like, no, keep the bag on, keep the bag on. Oh shit. Bro.
Vince, can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Are you funded?
It's funded.
When you were, is it best like to close full at 10, 20-ish pips or like always leave runners since you get most of the runners stopped out?
It's always good to leave runners. Like yesterday in Asian, I caught a 100 pip runner on gold. Like
Yeah, I tried this morning 2 times with GJ, got stopped out on break even, and now on gold also.
Runner's got to make sense to you.
I mean,
I think you might be bringing your stop, since you're saying you're getting stopped out, but the move goes. You're either bringing your stop to break even too soon, or
No. I'm doing normal, like at 10 pips, 8 pips ish. I'm putting stops to break even. Not soon.
Honestly, my runners, I won't have half a position as a runner. You see, I take 75 off the table. I'll take another 25.
Yeah, that's what I do. I take 80%.
Yeah, but for me, like Marco's is smart. He's like, what's the point of doing that? Because in some situations, like it would have been the same as if I just closed full, at one point, and just taking partials throughout the trade. And the rule of thumb for me is the runner has to make me at least as much as my original position, as my half a position. So the remaining runner's got to do at least that or more. If it doesn't, match what I've already closed, taken off the market, probably not worth it doing a runner. Sometimes you'll see me close full if the runner's less than what my original position.
If there's only like 10 pips left to move, and it's close.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have like I'd need at least a 40 pip runner or a 30 pip runner for a 10. You understand? Just money. Yeah, because money wise, it's gotta make sense.
Sure, you're just gonna break even. You'd be mad.
Because at that point, I'm closing half, right? But I'm gonna need this one to go another 20 pips to match that 10, because now it's a half position, right? So, is this don't cry? We don't get don't cry on my shit. Oh, it's not don't cry. Green would know. Green would be all over that.
But I mean, there's no right or.
MM is a fucking ostrich. MM is the dude from what's that insurance? Emu. The emu. What's the commercial? Where's that from? Liberty, 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 liberty. I think that's it. It's gonna come on Discord. Come through, bro. Discord's open. Like, don't be out of pocket. Did a pedicure yesterday.
Look at my search. I looked up scary movie, and it must have heard us talking about it. It says scary movie wheelchair guy.
Bro, I'm just fucking around. Nah. No, you're not. Those are your real legs. I don't believe you. No, you're definitely an emu. Who thinks those were MM's real legs? Maybe. I don't know. Gold cells break out of those. No. That's gonna be a no from me, dog. I really want this to either break down below here or just come up and create a support. Create a resistance, maybe fake out on a higher time frame, and maybe we'll have a respective resistance on this. Fake out on a small time frame, hold the resistance on the higher time frame, and then if we get like a bearish candle closing here, maybe we'll take sells back down. We'll see. I'm saying I'm fucking around with trolling. Okay, MM. You must be new to my version of satire, but it's called sarcasm. I get it. I know you were fucking around. I'm not taking you seriously, dude. That's why I said I get you. I get your jokes. You're just too out of pocket. Love you, Doc. What's the fun? All right, fine. Let's do it. I'll do a poll.
When you can, Wix, can you please go look at the New York session, the trades I took? I tried having runners there 2 times on the both 30-minute and 1 hour.
30 minutes. When was this? When did you take that trade?
This morning. I don't know at the time because it's different.
Well, what time is it there for you right now?
2 o'clock in the
Oh,
afternoon.
okay. All right. So you took this at like 5, 6 a.m. for me. I mean, yeah, you filled the wick though. That's your advantage point, right? Like,
Yeah, I took profit. I took 80 as I normally do, but I tried having runners and I got stopped out there.
I mean, well, you can't expect it to run forever. Like
Yeah.
You took 80 pips.
No. 80% at 13 pips.
80% at 13, so that's fire management. You realize that that's your advantage point, and the chances of that runner even going past there. If it does, it'll probably come back up, make a steeper wick. Hold on. So you tried again for the same trade a second time?
That one was the second time. That was the new hour. The first one, the second one.
Okay, so this is the first one.
30 minutes was the first one. Yeah.
We're gonna fill this range right now. Hopefully, we'll close below it.
You see how this 30 closes? If it pushes it.
Ooh, Goldie.
Wee. Sweet. So this was your first position?
Yeah.
So I don't get it. Where did you end? Is this already after it pulled back? Like, what was your entry? It went down.
You
It came
flipped.
back. Okay, I get it.
So yeah, you went up, then you flipped. You pushed a bit, but then you went up, I entered on the rebreak. I went like 13, 15.
Yeah, that's the rebreak
Then you
of the
went up
candle.
again. Yeah, it went up again. And then the new hour, I looked at it because you had a good closure on the 1 hour and happened the same thing.
What do we say this morning in this range? Every time it goes in here, just cleans, right? No green candles here at all. No bullish candles at all. Just this. The only thing that was here was this no wick. If there was a wick here, we would be all over this. Or GJ as well this morning. But see that no wick.
I got stopped out.
Well, that no wick indicated that next hour is probably not the one to drive. Probably going to come back up, make a wick. See how it broke lows, but didn't actually drive. Came back up, made a top wick here, and then this next hour drove. But I mean that was the expectation to fill this whole range. And then I don't know if it gets choppy or not. But let's see. This was your entry right here, right?
Yeah.
Honestly,
it's those things. It's just happened. It happens a lot of times. You get break even on most people.
Because you're not willing
then
to
you go
take the
down.
bigger stop. The more logical stop would have been the hourly stop, but you're not willing to take that 70 pips, right? But you're realizing it's not always like that though. Sometimes the hourly stop is the 30 stop, is the 15 stop, so that's where your stops are solid. And then if you break those highs, you're going up. But the hourly stop, even though you took the current candle, that's what made sense pips wise and RR wise in order for you to enter a trade, like as a stipulation for you to enter a trade. That's one of the parameters. But fuck the RR in this case, because like technically you're wrong after it breaks here. You're not wrong after this rebreaks its high. You still have this whole hourly candle here. So I mean that's room. That's why you gotta stop that. You have to leave room for your expectations that this has a chance of hitting stops because the hourly high is there. That's the more valid high. The hourly also had really no top wick. I would have expected this to maybe come up, make a top wick for it, and then drive. That's why probably once you're in profit here, you could be like, oh, if we start rejecting, come back up, make a top wick for this. I mean, there's a lot of nuances here that, like, you'd really have to, like I said, spend a lot of time on the charts and see it. And I mean, you'll probably see them. It's just, you know, your stops are, you're being logical in your stops. You're not being hopeful. And I think it's better because I think overall, like, if that does come up here and hit your stops, like, that's a bad loss if you really let it come up there, because this should have been your management. And it is. It was your management. You managed here, just it ended up, your whole idea ended up playing out. But if you were wrong, you're in much better shape. Like I said, one trade's not gonna make you rich. Whether you caught this or whether you caught this whole shit, right? It's not gonna make you wealthy. But if you lose all of this, one trade could fuck up your account.
I sent you the one I lost.
Oh yeah, I know what you lost.
We were thinking that.
I know where you entered. I was on the stream saying I'm not entering. I know why you lost, and we discussed it. Just this was it. Like we just said, right? The 1 hour, no. Wait, where is it? 1 hour, no bottom wick. It flipped, and then it came back up, and then it rebroke its own high, took you out, and then ended up driving again. So do you have the picture on a 5 minute for some reason? Here, that's the 5 minute. That's what it looked like. That's strange. Why does that look so different? Oh, mine's on the 15. There we go. Right here, you got stopped out. Took the sell, then it came up, rebroke its own high, and then reflipped again on the higher time frame, drove down. I told you there was no wick here, barely anyway. Like if we're waiting for an 80%, 90% trade all morning, it doesn't make sense to take a trade, like a no wick trade is like a 70 or 65%.
I sent you another chart that I was looking to get in, but the wick, that's because it was a 7 pip wick on the new 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
You just, for me, it didn't make sense. A 7 pip wick on the 1 hour. It formed within 1 minute, so you also wouldn't have much time also. But you had a 7 pip wick. You had a closure below, then a wick up. I was expecting a bit more, but it didn't give.
This isn't bad, but I don't know if I'm gonna take it. Probably not. It's a clean range here.
Yeah, it's very clear. I'm just waiting for a closer below 1842.
It's 917. We might drive, or if it drives, it drives. If it doesn't, I mean, we'll take a sell here. This is really clean to
Yeah, I
come all
took
the way
it.
down. Took what?
Made 15 and then just got out of break even.
What do you mean, just now?
Yeah.
I got you. Yeah, this can drive right here. This is solid. That's a solid play.
Yeah.
But I'm not in it.
I was just not about it. This already took a trade. I was just more so waiting for a higher probability.
Yeah, right.
On GJ, you have also good closure, maybe.
Still a high probability trade, but just in my eyes, I was just waiting for a closure.
Yeah, but in GJ, we are at per hour support. So we will need a close below.
No. This is very solid. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna close, if it's gonna wait for us. But if it doesn't, I mean, it drives, it drives. But solid position here. It's 32 pips for 90 initially, or even more. 150, 140, 108. Because look, it rebroke this low here. I know we didn't close above it, but this is clean. Like this whole, like there's nothing here. Solid idea. DID. Anybody in on this? Chat? Anybody jump in? Yeah, gold should drive down. Absolutely.
Really should.
%63%. Not even passing in high school, dog.
Still a little support at like 1838, so that's another possibility if we close below. It's clean right now.
No, this is solid. I think entry here on the break of this low was very good.
Yeah.
Yerp, I did. Good. Good. I'm not. Right, 4 hour close below the most recent 4 hour. Didn't it? Yeah, but he's not as entertaining and his hair is not as luxurious as mine, so. Not mean.
Wix, do you think your hair helps you in your life?
I mean, yeah, when I'm sleeping somewhere that has no pillow. This shit is amazing. This shit is like a fluffy.
Like makes you different, you know, like stand out.
Oh yeah, I'm a hard face to forget. Every time I go somewhere, people.
Yeah.
If you've seen me once, people will remember like for the rest of their life. They're like, oh,
Okay.
that's him. He's been here. I literally went to a restaurant the other day. I haven't seen like one of the waiters there for like 5 years. I came back. He's like, oh, I know you used to come here. That's why I went. He literally told me, he's like, I remember you used to tip well, so that's why I sat you down first. Literally told me that.
Wow.
Yeah.
And target. Tap. No. I'm in, but it's signals, not my own. Why aren't you in on your own, fool? Sell, no. Sell just played out. We took a sell earlier, and this sell just played out. Is tipping mandatory in America? No. Only on stream. What you mean no signals in July? Always signals. I need to roll J. It's about time. I've learned enough. Oh, you mean like you're gonna stop paying for signals? I mean, they always continue, but if you want to stop paying for signals, that's not a bad thing. If you're on here every day and you pretty much know what we're doing, you're in tune with us. I mean, or with our strategy, you should be fine. For me, look, Marcos did that for this week. Like, you know, he just tuned out the noise, and he's being pretty successful by tuning out the noise.
Wix, can I ask you a question?
Yo.
2 trades I've taken today, they have gone like 10 pips. I moved to break even. They get me out, and then they drop like 50.
I know. It's happened to me today too. Sorry, I took 19, then break even, then it ran. I was in that trade with you. It's fine. I mean, you're here for the really high win rate, right? Next trade, next trade, and next trade. Just keep building up wins. Keep winning. That's the goal. Like I said, one trade here will not fucking make you wealthy if you took 10 or 40 pips. You know, you were a winner. Your idea was right. Eventually, you'll start taking 30 or 40 because the ranges you'll start playing in will be much bigger. You'll understand how on the higher, you'll start paying attention more to the higher time frames instead of every single market movement, every single tick. I have one trade today, only one trade so far.
Are you looking at this 30-minute goal?
Yeah, I'm looking at how we close here if we pull back, or we just drive straight down, and I'm fine with that. Like, I won today, you know, that's the goal. Come in here, be a winner, and another thing, I'm not in the market. I have no risk. I don't give a fuck what it does because I have no risk here, right? I have no money just sitting on a chart somewhere. Had one trade. Our guess was one candle, right? The goal is to be there for that one candle. We're supposed to analyze and really predict that one next candle that's going to be our moneymaker. We predicted one next candle. It gave us what we needed. We came out and it could do whatever it wants, right? It was doing whatever it wants all night. Nobody complained while you were sleeping, like, hey, I need to be on there. Or when you're out and about, you know, like you're not complaining. The shit's still moving. Giving pips, people taking profits, people losing money. Yeah.
Yeah, the market will always be here.
I mean, you really don't need more. You really need to show up to the live streams to really learn and know all you need to know, and not get anything extra in your head that's gonna confuse you. And indicators and Batman signals and fucking, I don't know. I don't need any of that shit. You don't need much to be profitable. A lot of it is cool and shit, but you don't need much to be profitable. You need your eyes on a phone or your eyes on a laptop and some knowledge that's going to be guided by your experience on the charts. That's it. Understanding of some basic concepts and then experience. Oh, see, Don took that position here on the sells. So there we go. Don has 2 positions on the day. We had 1.
Yeah.
But we just discussed it. Why nobody say nothing? Actually, no, don't say it. If it's Don signals, don't say it. Oh shit! I would have probably jumped in just because it's Don. But yeah, we just discussed it literally. Like we spoke about this. It seems solid. We just want to close, but this seems solid. The break here because the 4-hour closed. 4 hours break.
But he also broke even, I'm pretty sure.
See, Don's smacking the market today. He just closed 40 here.
Yeah, he is.
Good shit. You see, if I wasn't on streams doing this for y'all, I'd taken 2 trades today and won twice instead of once. But I'm concentrating on this. Not as locked in as usual, but still, we literally just discussed that this is very solid. We'd want a closure, but like if you're taking, we got a closure here. Look at this gladiator candle, and if we're gonna break the lows here, we're gonna drive and fill this whole clean ass candle. That's exactly what we just did. I really, because of bullshitting here, like didn't really have much time to start breaking it down. I saw it at the last minute. If you saw it, I was like, oh shit, we're breaking lows. This close below. This seems solid. I can't just enter just because something seems solid for me. I gotta be locked in. I'm a big kid now. Where are my partners in crime? Like Marcos has no need to be trading anymore now. He could just hop on streams. Where is he?
Yeah, he's on Discord.
Boy's in the gym. I'm gonna smoke a joint and go to the gym too. This is getting. This music's getting sad, y'all.
Break the close. What's your thought on that?
Really, the entry was here. Like honestly, right now for this trade, the entry was here, and I'm not gonna settle down for entry here. The solid entry was really the flip on the 4-hour, right here, somewhere. Yeah, break of the 4-hour. That was the entry. Now you've hit your initial TP, and now you should just be runners. Our entry was somewhere up here. Wait, hold on.
250.
Daughter's call. Wee, so wee. Well, if anyone's in these gold cells, congrats. If you're still in them. Good shit. This is very, very simple today. What papers do you use, Wix? Organic raws. The ones with the tips inside them. This way I don't have to go buy, ripping up business cards looking for filters. you do today, chat? Winners, losers? We're 1-0 on the stream for the day. 1 win. That's it. Yeah, see, respect on the 1 hour, but the 4 hour is key because the higher time frame is king. It always supersedes the lower time frame, and we close right below the most recent one. Very solid. Notice it too late. Oh, this music is shot. I'm not a fan of today's soundtrack. I think it made me miss some trades. Ooh, medieval music. Sounds like copyright music.
Gold has been textbook today.
Yeah, it is. It's been very nice. Ice closed.
Yeah.
Ice closed half.
You took on the break of
4 hour?
The 30-minute low.
Break of the previous 30 low.
Ooh, nice.
See if I survive this or not. Break even.
Some good shit right there.
Good trade.
Yeah, boy.
Complete. Alright, I'm officially gone. Just closing out the trades.
They're closing out the charts?
Yeah.
Not a bad idea. See how there's many zones here and levels? Yeah. Over time, as you get more confident, more comfortable in knowing what you're looking for, you're going to realize that really staring at this on the 5 or 15 is kind of pointless in the grand scheme of things. And you really want to pay attention to the higher time frame levels, higher time frame zones, as you'll realize they are respected much more, a higher percentage of the time. And that's what you're going to start looking for, the higher percentage. So there's no need to have a football field in one zone, you know what I mean?
Yeah, see, I start getting confused, especially because
People will be like, yeah.
You know, you might see like the 5 minutes start pulling up in a down chain for like 2 candles. Like, oh, I gotta get out of here.
And people will be like this. Hold on, 20-yard line, 30, 40, 50, half a field already.
And it's just screwed me up.
I'd be like, is this a math book? What is this, a notebook? No, don't remove drawings, just remove this. Target reached.
Beautiful start to the week.
Yeah, gold price dropping, right? The Fed's tightening shit up, so gold's dropping. Because, right, we have a small correlation, inverse correlation, between the treasury yields and gold and metals in general.
It just makes sense too, and also the increasing, you know, the rates and shit. So it just makes sense in one way. GJ struck one gold struck.
Fed's supposed to be hiking rates, right?
Yeah.
We hike rates, gold's gonna drop.
They're hiking it on the dollar. The couple other. It was on Raja's story. He was talking about shit.
Alright, fine. Congratulations, Amam, you just got wrenched.
Wix, have you got any cryptos?
Yes and no.
Are you buying? Are you buying or are you waiting?
I have a portfolio from it's since 2016. I've been buying like small little coins, like unheard of coins. So honestly, I haven't touched that wallet in at least since 2019. I have no idea what's in there. I'm hoping to just open it one day and see millions.
Are you gonna buy anything right now? Or?
No, I haven't looked at a crypto anything since 2020.
See the market today, man.
I had a lot of altcoins. Like 30, 40 different altcoins. And some don't exist today, some are still around, some are performing decently, some still have a future. But honestly, crypto, I'm not gonna look till 2030.
Oh, fucking gold.
I'm gonna leave that wallet the way it is till fucking 2030. Had a whole bunch of ether in there.
And that's how you bought your sneakers, right?
Yeah, my
collection.
collection. That's all Bitcoin money. All Bitcoin money. my wife's whole closet. That's all Bitcoin money. All of it.
Yeah, it must still be in it. He said girls near 25%. Good shit, Don. Good shit.
What do you do? What did Uncle? What I miss? Hey, Don's got an 80 pip runner going.
Oof. Sweet.
It's almost to his monthly entry too.
What was that?
And it's almost to his monthly entry too.
Well, the monthly flips he could re-enter. I wasn't taking that trade before, but like, cause that's just crazy. Look, as soon as that executed, that monthly went straight up.
It looks like a daily fake out. Look at the daily, we're in a range. Friday closed above, and today now drop.
Yeah.
We close like we close somewhere here below this most recent one. Tomorrow we can make a top wick and drive. Hold on, what's the weekly? Weekly.
And it's only Monday.
Look, weekly was bull. So we can if we break this weekly low, we're gonna come down to here to 1811, maybe fill the wicks to 1800 flat.
It's only Monday, man. So woof.
It's only Monday at the starting of the week. Anybody else heard that song?
You just invented, right?
That's a Fast and the Furious song.
Oh.
That's from Fast and the Furious. Check that out.
Yeah, that's what I heard from.
Okay. Give me the loop. Give me the loop. Yeah, it's driving. Better break the lows.
Should I do an Asian? I took
So,
a sell at 1870.
hold on, I'm sorry. Give me 1 sec.
And I was going to hold the winners all the way down to like 1829.
You got 4-hour support right now.
Yeah, there's heavy support right here.
Yeah, you gotta be aware.
Very heavy support.
We should mirror. I don't know about support. This is mine right here. We should mirror all of once this breaks, we should be good to go. I'm gonna re-break the previous weekly low.
Yeah, but you got the 1829, 1828 area without the daily wicks.
I expect today, this month, today, I expect this month to fill this wick. I need to fill this wick down. We fake that, fill all this. Come down to, in the next 2 weeks. Weekly, breaking last week's. Daily, breaking yesterday's low. Wow, Friday's daily high and low was the weekly high and low the previous week. Funny.
Yeah.
Friday really hit that whole zone. And today on the 4-hour, this was a really clean fucking candle. This clean range. Every time we've done this, look, comes back down to there. Comes back down to here. Now it just came back down to here. We close below here, like over here, it's gonna come down to the next range, like it just did over here. So this is what we'll be looking for right here. This play over here when it closes below. It's the 4-hour. Let's look at our hour. Yeah, same thing. So on the hourly, it came down to here. Came down to here, actually. Came down, drove down, but it's going to fill this whole range. Once it breaks into here and we get some closures in here, it's going to fill this again. So it's a weekly, I think. Hold on, I need an ashtray. Hold your altcoins. Next bull run, you're going to be a millionaire. Again?
Again?
Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Shit. I'm gonna do twice what people couldn't do once. I love the positivity for the crypto and the trading market. I love the bullish outlook people have. Whether it's right or wrong, I don't know. I just love the positivity. What a nice catch gold today. Yes, sir. Yes, it was. But to be completely honest with you, if I was locked in, we would have caught gold twice. This was really fucking solid right here. So it was happening as we were talking about it, but I was like, oh, this looks good. On there it goes. And then the sad part is Don fucking caught it. Now I can't be like, yo, I got all these trades. No, bastard caught it. Fuck. I'm not upset he caught it. I'm fucking I'm salty he missed that I missed. It's alright, we caught one earlier. Fire day. Great stream. If you were in the signals group, you probably got a few wins. If you were on stream today, you definitely got at least one. Although we discussed a few. 50. Let's see how this 10 closes. Okay. Okay. Good job. Got some altcoins too, bro. Looking to load my bags once BTC goes down to 18K. I mean, if you're a believer, if you're a believer in crypto, I mean, or in Bitcoin, I mean, doesn't matter where it goes down to. Eventually, it's gonna be way up, right? If you're a believer. If not, then you shouldn't be investing in something you don't believe in. Should be solid. Should be. I mean, this is great for us. For overall, like, look, for the week, as we just discussing it. This also broke weekly lows on GJ. Come down. Daily. Oh, hasn't broken the lows yet, but I think once it breaks the weekly lows, the previous weeks, we're gonna come down for the month. See, like I said, monthly is gonna start filling this wick, and it already reflipped. This was Don's monthly idea. Top wick, and then drive down on the monthly. Oh shit, chat, I forgot about you guys. Forgot there's a chat going. Really? 86 likes? We had 2 losses on a stream that had fucking 200 likes. You fuckers. Hilarious. I love it. They like my downfalls. I'm gonna start taking four losses a day just to see some likes, dog. MM still not a mod? Yes, he is. MM, speak. You're a mod. Been modded. Hasn't he? Definitely modded. He is born millionaire. Ooh, me? No, I was born broke as shit in Ukraine. Where I was born. My family came to America and brought me here with $96. That's about it. Yes, Ukraine. Yeah, if we get a closure below here, we can mirror once again this move down. Always, we're doing technical analysis, right? So always look for historical price data, price movements, and we want to mirror these candles, small candles. So want a closure below here, and we'll mirror candle.
No boy. Alright.
Close like this. Right down. But I don't know if I'm gonna be around for that. See, MM's a member now. You're a member. You're now the member of the Range Club. No, if he sent a picture of his feet, I would have modded and banned Leaky, but he sent a picture of fucking emu's feet or whatever, chicken. I don't know what that was, eagle. So I only gave him a mod but didn't ban you. You guys are good. Let's see. I think we're gonna close above there, and I don't want to trade in here. I don't know. We'll see. Book's almost at 1K subs. No way. Let me look. Let me look it up. You guys are gonna make me hold on.
cry of happiness.
I can monetize my stream now. Now I can make $1,108.
Look at McDonald's, man. Little by little, everything adds.
986. I'm 14 subs away from being able to monetize my stream. And right as soon as I get them, it's gonna be donezo for the stream. We'll do some other shit. We'll do like evening shit. Uh-oh. Man. I hate top chat. Live chat's the shit, but I hate top chat feature. Alright, gang, calling it a day. Thank you, Nav. Appreciate you. Wow. Appreciate everybody here, yo. Thank you for sticking around. 222 of you. Deuces. Oh, wow. Look at this rejection. Hold on. Let's see what happens. Zoom in, bitch. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to knock the camera. You guys see my trophies? My bad. It wasn't me. It was gravity. Stupid gravity. Got me again. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, Paul. W's all around. Catch you an Asian. If I'm on, I'm gonna be dipping as soon as I'm done with this joint. Just looking to see what happens. I'm like, this is solid here, but I'm probably not gonna take it. Like, this shit is fucking driving. I don't know why it's driving now. Maybe the expectation of the Fed actions. Just this is just action before actual. This is a reaction before actual action. That makes sense to anybody. It's just an expectation of hiking rates. I'm guessing this is what's doing this. Just corrected this whole move up. What do I think about the gold? I think we're gonna keep driving down. I think, look, monthly. Hold on, I hear my kids yelling. Oh, no, that's the neighbor's kids. Yeah, so look, the monthly. Go back to this as we just described. Monthly just created a top wick, never broke the previous month, and flipped. So it took the first 2 weeks of this month to create this top wick, and we just flipped. For the next 2 weeks, I think we're going to fill this wick on the monthly, which means this week we would have to just start driving down. We might fill it this week. I don't know. My guess is we're going to get a closure below here on the weekly, which means on the daily we'll probably close below here and drive down. But we got to see a closure below on the daily to be sure that we're going to drive down. Otherwise, we might stay in range. But daily's going to, if this daily closes like this or bearish today, tomorrow we're going to drive down again. Or we're going to have the expectation of driving down. Monthly wick 1790. 1773. Yeah, 1786. The monthly wick, I think we're going to fill that. I have some serious patience, man. Kids in trading. Yeah, I got 3 of them. Imagine 3. Your camera high. Yeah. That's why I went. Well, congrats to anyone that was on with us 3 hours ago and took that trade. Wait, was that 3? That was 8:30. I'm sorry. 2 hours ago. How about FOMC if full of gold? What about FOMC? We're going down. And if something says we're going up, we're going to see it reflected in price action. I mean, I get it. Like, the need fundamentals is high. Yes, you have to pay attention to news. But if you're paying attention to the rate hikes, we're going to drop down in gold. And so far, that's what I'm seeing reflected on the chart, right? If I don't see it reflected on the chart, I can't act on it. I can have any kind of fucking news I want, whatever it wants. Unless it's fucking printing right here, I'm not acting on it. So I don't give a fuck about FOMC. I know it's there. I get in the back of my head, not like don't misunderstand me. I keep in the back of my head, all the important things that can relate to my trading, my setups. And when it falls in line, everybody says that when it falls in line together, it's like great. So like the cliche, like see another confirmation. But really, we want to see it printed, and once it's printed, we can act on it. Naked trying to catch the Maz lagging. Bruh, like if I was him, that's what I'd be doing. He's yo, I modded you for a reason, dog. I'm working. All the mods are gone. I think MM's the only one left.
MM is keeping the fort.
He's fucking sleeping on the job right now. He's fucking getting high with the enemy. I'm up for mod next. I think on like.
Then you know what you have to do, man.
I mean, there's a few people. There's a few people that have been here for a while. I mean, a while. It's a whole week. But a few of you are the true OGs of this stream since Monday. What's going on GJ? Monthly flipped. Weekly broke the previous weekly lows. Ooh. Daily's driving bearish. See how all the time frames are bear. So mentioned this before. I just don't want to be in play anywhere in this range. Small. Just close below it. If we flip, we might. If we flip, we might drive, but I really don't want to be in play anywhere here. I see a clean drive here. I see a clean push down here. Once these areas, see, there's a lot of play here, and then once these areas are broken, just drove down. Yeah, on the higher time frame, maybe this makes sense. And it
You don't have much space in the 1 hour. So
I just want the mirror clean candles. I don't want to mirror ranges. And we might even close above. Like, look, we might close above here and then just come up a little. I'll be out of this. It's 10:15. It's 10:11. I'm finishing smoking this joint. I'm gonna be out because I gotta run. Not that I gotta be somewhere by a certain time, but I really want to finish up early so I can have like an evening with family. It's Monday.
yeah, I'm leaving too.
On Monday when everyone's miserable and like your family, everyone's at work. You know, I come home, they're expecting just miserable Monday. I'm gonna take them out today, just so Mondays can be happier.
Okay.
So it's a good idea.
Okay, Wicks.
Enjoy your Mondays.
Catch you tomorrow.
Absolutely. See you tomorrow.
Thanks.
Yep. Oh, Paul's still here. JXDR is here. What happened, JXDR? Where'd you go? Hello?
Hello?
Is this thing on? JXDR, where'd you go?
Oh, what's up?
Where'd you go?
I said I was gonna be gone for 1 hour and it fucking rained, man.
Oh, so you lost
I went
connection?
out. No. I went out to fix my friend's PC because her PC is like the temperature is like 91 degrees.
Gee.
Yeah, man, it's about to
Sweat
explode.
lodge.
So I went there. I went there, fixed her PC, and then it rained, so I wasn't able to come back home. Just got home, man. It's the end of the stream, end of the session. Still a W day though. London session 8. London gang 8.
How many wins you
I
take
got
in
like
London?
2.5% for this day, so I'm basically done.
Good shit.
Good start.
Yeah, I made 3% today. It was a good day.
3%. Nav made 5%. I don't know. He took another trade today from like a London session. He made like 5%. If he took another win today, maybe that's like 6, 7.
Jeez.
Paul said he's up 9.6%
For the week? So you know
for the day, maybe.
That's what I'm
Paul,
saying. For
can
the
you-
week, because it's only Monday. It's only Monday. Paul's definitely on the
Essentially.
fucking on his US 30 shit.
Yeah, US 30 gives a lot of pips.
Or points, pips, whatever they're called. Yeah.
But it's like
when it moves, it moves.
it's very technical, but it's a lot less forgiving. Like your mistakes will cost you.
It's like gold times 10.
Sliding on these cells all morning. Oh.
You caught anything, Wix?
Yeah, we took gold earlier. I closed half at 19, and then it'd be, and then it ran. It barely like came back.
Yup, and then I took a second position, hit break even, and it ran.
And then we were discussing the 4-hour sells on gold, right here as it was happening. Like this solid position right here. We're close below, made a
It's about to
top wick.
break it's about to break daily lows too.
Daily, I know. Dunn's fucking monthly idea would have been on point.
I think he's still in that.
I don't know if he's in. I think he had the previous monthly as a stop.
He, I thought he moved his stops up to like 1912.
I guess we never know.
Guess you never know. Either way, that was a good call.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it here. I gotta run.
Yeah, I'm gonna go off and go do some shit.
Fire stream. Thank you guys for sticking around. 180 real ones. 183.
Yeah.
Let's see. You got me to 100 likes.
Thank you for hosting, it works.
Yeah, you guys are the shit. All right. We'll be back tomorrow sometime between 6:45 and 7:15, depending on my state of mind and how I feel. And how long it's gonna take me to wake up, smoke a J, roll, and then get on the stream. But I'll be on at around 7 a.m. ballpark.
All right, for sure.
Yep. These are the shit for joining and sticking around. See you tomorrow. Later.
Later.
Peace and love, chat.
Thanks, boys.
Yep,
Thank you.
later.